पेट्स ऑफ नागवा स्पोर्टिंग क्लब एक एंट्री जाल्ली आसा. जिनो स्पोर्ट्स क्लब म्हापसा प्लस दत्तराज राज सालगांवकर. सो 3 आमकां एंट्री येयल्ल्यो आसा. सो 2 एंट्री फॉर पॅक्स ऑफ नागवा जे आसा ते 30 lakhs दिवन एंट्री केल्ली आसा. जिनो 50 lakhs एंड दत्तराज राज सालगांवकर फॉर 50 lakhs. सो पेट्स ऑफ नागवा हे फर्स्ट इयर्सान खेळटले फॉर कमिंग सीझन. जिनो वील प्ले फॉर सेम थिंग. जे दत्तराज आर सालगांवकर आसा ते नेक्स्ट इयर 2023-24 सिजनान पार्टिसिपेट करतले बिकॉज तांकां तो टायम मेळोंक ना. 24-25.
For the direct entry team, there will be exemption from relegation for 1 year. So so they will get to play 2 seasons in the Goa League, minimum. So this year there is no relegation. From next year there will be relegation for them, and for Mr. Salgaonkar there will be relegation from 2025-26 season onwards.
No jugglery means let's football, and more clubs want to join a Goan football now, and good big names like. So you can see now 3, they are big name in Goa. And see this year now this money even we have cleared last 4 years pending dues also, prize money, and we are level like. So coming season we are expecting 3 crores from altogether sponsorship. We approached by many big companies. They want to put money in Goan football for advertising their product